In this edition of Innovation Nation, we are going to share with you an innovative idea in the space of public administration. In recent decades, India has been one of the fastest growing economies, consistently maintaining a robust GDP growth. However, creating formal employment and promoting entrepreneurship to produce potential job creators remains a challenge. India's demographic dividend, as expressed in its youthful population, can only be channelized by promoting startups, skilling, and promoting innovative advantage based livelihoods. In the coming editions, we will bring to you some innovations by public administrators from across India, which are helping to utilize India's demographic advantage. The remoteness of the border regions of the nation throws up challenges for local employment and sustenance of armed forces. The deployment of the armed forces in border areas can create opportunities for local employment. While serving in J&K, Major General Dharamrajan and his team recognized this opportunity and developed a project to source army supplies from local communities, thereby providing them with employment. This innovation seeks to upskill and empower local communities by enabling them to provide supplies to Army through government e-marketplace. It also strengthens the partnership between the Army and the local community. Based on the requirements of the Army and the capacity of local vendors, the project team identified milk as one of the products that could be sourced locally. They encouraged local vendors to increase milk production under the expert guidance of Army's veterinary surgeons. The local administration provided facilities for milk refrigeration and product quality was ensured by partnering with firms like Amul and Verka. The project team further navigated the challenge of unreliable internet connections and trained the locals to use the GEM portal in order to sell milk directly to the Army. A similar project was set up in Lamb Village on the line of control, which facilitated the setting up of a bakery run by a group of 8 women who now supply baked goods to the Army. Similarly, in Surankot Village, fruits like cherries and plums are being procured by the Army locally. The project has reaped considerable dividends, with GEM analytics showing that the Army's contract in J&K had jumped many-fold within a short span of time. Given the pressing need for development in border areas and the ever-present requirements of the Army, there is potential for similar projects to be replicated in other border areas. So, our defense forces are not only keeping our borders secure, they are also deploying innovative ideas to help the remote villages prosper.